Okay, let's look at the current paradigm. It goes without saying that the financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting environment is fraught with complexities, none of which is more evident than time constraints. Large teams of accountants and the ever-popular expensive software offerings, the lineup of consultants that bill by the hour, and finally, for practical purposes, and likely the most frustrating and negatively consuming aspect, the implementation of these offerings. All of this is non-core and don't benefit your immediate need or outcomes required, and they have you and your business finances at a standstill while this so-called function occurs. The reality is that this has become somewhat of a norm, a situation that we, as accountants, accept without challenging the status quo. Furthermore, this is all aimed at what should be a relatively straightforward process within the business. Perhaps it's because the salespeople are really good at their jobs, or maybe it's because these high-end offerings promise you the world, and while tangled in the complexities or challenges of your practice, you don't see the wood for the trees. Maybe it's because these packages themselves are considered the best available at the moment, or that the opposition company implemented it, so we should follow suit. The question you need to ask yourself is, has the penny dropped? Why? Let's look at the new paradigm. Perhaps you're a financial director, financial manager, or fulfill a function within the accounting department that deals with hindrances such as these. But the reality as you know it could be very different. Imagine for a second a simplified financial consolidation and reporting solution that's implemented within 4 weeks, is not riddled with hidden costs, additional hardware, the consultants, and provides you peace of mind for all your budgeting, forecasting, and reporting requirements. Would you believe that there is a revolutionary solution available to you that will not only provide simplicity, but offer you many other benefits in rolling up your financial consolidation and reporting that will improve your workflow, save you time, money, and much frustration? The question you need to ask yourself is, has the penny dropped? Let's talk a little more about roll-up sheets, which, by the way, is the solution you, your consolidation team, and the financial reporting industry at large has been waiting for. First, though, it's important to understand that you do have a complex and unique environment with many aspects that influence the outcome and associated activities. Also, it's important to understand that there are tools available that in their own right are very good with certain aspects of the consolidation process. But they come with a hefty price tag and, more often than not, are riddled with fine print, add-ons, which are costly too. Consulting hours, we love that one, and from experience take several months, even years, to implement. Roll-up sheets is none of that. Roll-up sheets is consolidation software, currently used by many diverse organizations for their entire financial reporting, budgeting, forecasting requirements, which is cost-effective, can be implemented within only 4 weeks, offers an end-to-end financial consolidation, budgeting, and reporting solution, has a proven track record in the market, and what's more, has been developed in South Africa, therefore has a very clear understanding of local requirements. Here's the current paradigm. Now, once again, experience has taught us that you need an expensive and cumbersome financial consolidation system with several modules, add-ons, and the associated hardware that needs to be complicated and expensive. Chances are you need to purchase new computers with the latest technology, and we probably need to put a call in to those consultants to help implement their own system. That's not the end of it, though. You'll need to put your results on the back burner, get the powers that be to sign off on purchase orders and get the ball rolling, while you wait. Then I suppose they'll uncover some aspects of your business which are not covered in the general package, and they have the chance to upsell you the plug-in that will. Here's the new paradigm. Again, the reality with roll-up sheets is somewhat different. So long as your equipment is from this generation, it will run. The package itself is simple to implement and without too much fuss. And with a bit of knowledge, you could handle this aspect yourself. We're only a call away if you have questions. The roll-up sheets package is comprehensive enough to cover all of your consolidation and reporting requirements, along with everything in between. Let's have a look at some of these. As a planning and reporting tool, roll-up sheets, amongst other things, provides you with the ability to automate the collection of data across multiple cost centers. Import data from several source systems, such as a trial balance from your ERP system. Quickly drill down into any consolidated or aggregated amount. Fully automate the consolidation process with automatic elimination of intercompany transactions and balances. Capture journals. Easily reconcile intercompany balances. Roll-up Sheets also offers simple, effective solutions to viewing results based on different reporting structures, write custom reports directly to Excel or Word manage multiple currencies for international subsidiaries, implement strict user access control and database security. We trust by now you're forming a picture of the solution Roll-up Sheets can offer you. But you may still be asking, how is this different to my old monster, which promised me all of this years ago? Also, if the penny's not dropped for you yet, perhaps it's worth considering the following. No other high-end system can be implemented within 4 weeks, or provides the guarantee to do this. Roll-up Sheets does. Roll-up Sheets is also the only software solution in this high-end category that's truly self-maintainable. Further, Roll-up Sheets implementation is simple enough that it can be done by you or your team, provided you have an aptitude for spreadsheets and a fundamental knowledge on financial reporting. Once implemented, you could even add additional elements yourself. Maybe add a line item to your income statement, or insert a new reconciliation or calculation, without the consultants taking up space and eating into your bottom line. Scalability is also a key aspect to Roll-up Sheets. Right now, you may require a solid reporting solution, but in time to come, your business grows, and you realize the power and ease that Roll-up Sheets provides. So, you decide to include Roll-up Sheets in your budgeting process. It's as simple as implementing it yourself, with very little effort and no input from consultants, which means no purchasing of additional modules, since you already have the power to do so built in. Ultimately, as the client, this means a few things for you and your business. Faster implementation, which in turn dictates a much higher adoption rate. Much less business interruption. No scope creep, which is the case in most instances. Prevention of long-term consulting costs. Little to no end-user training. Minimal additional hardware or software requirements. The current paradigm. Remember those consultants? Well, you probably had them back again, with a small fee associated after the implementation because the system was acting up or your new recruits just didn't comprehend the power of the package. Now, so far as we're concerned, these are intelligent people with degrees and experience that couldn't perform in intercompany consolidation. Counterproductivity comes to mind. The new paradigm. In an age where time is money and results are required, you cannot afford to let technology hold you back. It should make your life easier. It's for this reason we've done the hard work behind the scenes so you can get on with what's at hand now. The interface and functionality of roll-up sheets provides you with clean, clear navigation in a manner which you are accustomed to. The adoption rate is much higher, and the accounting team can focus on what's important, not try to be software engineers. So, you're ready to experience the power that Roll-Up Sheets offers you, and you're going to implement the software for purposes of monthly reporting and/or budgeting. How would you want these reports to look, and what would you like to include? In almost every case, you'll be able to illustrate this picture best in spreadsheets. Why? Because everyone knows and works with spreadsheets. Most financial specialists illustrate best what they want in this format. So use it. No need to complicate your life. Let's assume you currently use or have designed a monthly reporting template which includes an income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. With roll-up sheets, you can incorporate the design and functionality of your spreadsheet report, including formulas, graphs, formats, calculations, and analysis. After uploading the template, roll-up sheets will create the reports which users can then capture to import information into. Once the users, cost centers, reporting structures, and security settings have been set up, users can log in and start capturing their results for their respective cost centers. Where users import data into their respective reports, let's use trial balance data as an example. The ledger codes are easily mapped to the relevant place in the report template. Roll-up sheets also caters for multiple mappings for where cost centers work off different general ledger codes. Once everyone has captured their results, you can view your group's results by opening up the report on any consolidated level. No need to run any processes. Simply open up to view the group's results with a click of a button. You can then post consolidation and elimination entries, or you can set roll-up sheets to automatically eliminate intercompany transactions and balances. Now that you've collated and consolidated all your results, a simple and rational outcome would be to communicate these on various levels to different shareholders or stakeholders. So, you can print any of the standard analysis reports, or you can design your own custom template with Roll-Up Sheets Report Writer. You won't easily find a tool that makes report writing this simple, allowing you to write to spreadsheets or directly to a Word document. Once again, to aid simplicity, the entire report can be designed in Microsoft Excel and uploaded to Roll-Up Sheets. This, then, is a fraction of what Roll-Up Sheets is capable of, and by now it should be clear that the simplicity and power of this financial consolidation and reporting package could only benefit you and your company. By now, the penny should have dropped. If you require any further information, visit rollupsheets.co.za or call us for a free scoping session. Roll-Up Sheets. Collate, consolidate, communicate.